Hey guys, Dan here. Here's been a quick update, and I'll tell you guys. So, first things first, braces are off. Yes. Oh my goodness, feels so weird without braces. And yeah, I'm wearing a dress. So, yeah. I just on Friday I uploaded Ivy and Hair Show with Ivy because Ivy was here on Friday, so we did that. And so next March, hopefully the new one, this weekend and 23rd to the 25th of April. I'm going to California in May after my grad session, so I'll bring you guys along so you can enjoy it. Let me done your hair let me show you in the costume. I have baby smells, so I have to make this clean. Yes, I can see it. Oh. So I'll see you guys next time. Please down below the Ivy Hair Show on Instagram and all the other social media. Bye. Love you.